All right, here we go. Kajabi has finally released their new community feature, and let's talk about it a little bit. It is fresh news. Here we go. Got on the screen the post here from CEO of Kajabi. Hello, heroes. Shortly, you'll be seeing an important announcement from me in your inbox, but I wanted to share the news with you here first. Kajabi has acquired Vibely, an innovative community platform that will become the next generation of Kajabi communities. What does this mean for you? It means you're about to have access to a powerful new set of community features like interactive challenges. Interesting, they would put that one first. Live sessions, accountability tools, leaderboards, and more, all included in your Kajabi subscription. So it sounds like it won't cost anything extra. You'll be able to go beyond the tired engagement formula of post, reply, repeat, and build a sustainable, scalable community that your customers will be excited to take part in. That sounds really good. I don't absolutely hate Kajabi's community currently, so I hope they don't add too many features to where it's bloated and overwhelming. I'm super excited about this, but I hope it is a net positive for sure. And best of all, you'll be doing it in an experience that you can control, one that is free from the distractions of social feeds. So they're comparing it to, they're not comparing it to their current community platform. They're comparing it to others like Facebook groups and so on. Very interesting. We'll be rolling out the new Kajabi communities in a deliberate way. If you're one of our founders or Access member in the US or Canada, okay, so founders and Access members in US, Canada, you're automatically going to be let into our early access beta group over the next few weeks. So today is November 1st. So that means sometime in November, if you're a founder or Access member in the US or Canada. If you're not, but you still want to help us at this early stage, you can click here to join the waitlist. So they have a waitlist you can join. I'll link to that below. Please note that we cannot guarantee everyone on the waitlist will get early access. That said, the good news is that everyone will have access to Kajabi communities in January 2023. We know that a leading community experience has been on your Kajabi wishlist for a long, long time. Ours too. Yes, they've been teasing this community for a long time. We made this investment because we are here to help you, our heroes, continue to build successful, thriving online businesses. Your success is our success, and we never, ever forget that. This is the first of many updates you'll be seeing from us over the coming months that we're truly hopeful will help improve our product, innovate our offering, and most importantly, enable you to become more successful with Kajabi. Thank you for being part of the best part of Kajabi, and stay tuned for more exciting updates to come. And then they have a live stream in their Facebook group coming on November 8th. All right, so they have gone the route of acquiring another company. They've been teasing this community 2.0 stuff for a while now. And it turns out they've acquired something called Vibely. I've never heard of Vibely until I saw this announcement. Here is their website. It says the easiest way to host a vibrant and interactive community. Very interesting. All right, so I don't live stream on YouTube very often. So I'm going to check and make sure microphone's working and everything. Vibely. That's not it. That's not it. So Vibely, they have acquired Vibely, and they're going to be integrating this into their platform of Kajabi. So Vibely has vibrant chats, not just chats, but vibrant chats. Zoom-like calls, like Zoom, but under your community. Set up virtual meetups and one-on-one calls, good for office hours, workshops. So might be able to get rid of Zoom. Interesting. So we utilize Zoom in our community currently for our weekly Q&As. So that could possibly go away. Accountability tools, challenges, resources, events, power events and collect RSVPs, ambassadors, appoint leaders in your community called ambassadors. They'll empower your community and welcome new members, and leaderboards. So this is all very interesting. I like a simple community inside of Kajabi right now. We have our community set up using Kajabi's community. In fact, we have a custom theme. This is what our program looks like on the inside. We have all of our pre-recorded training in Classroom. We have a calendar feature already. And we have, let's see, there's the calendar. And our community is just Kajabi's baked in canned community as of now. And I kind of dig the simplicity of it, but there are plenty of features lacking, such as being able to easily see more information about an individual person, direct messaging, the ability to upload your own videos and pictures instead of just linking to them. Maybe you can upload pictures, but definitely not videos. It would be really nice if you could upload videos. So like I said before, I hope they don't take it too far with too many features and just make it bloated, because there were things about their current community that I like, but some of these do sound really, really nice. So this is Vibely. So I went ahead and created a test Vibely community just to see, and it's not much right now because I'm the only one in it and I haven't done very much, but this is what it currently looks like on the inside. You're not going to have to create a Vibely account and do all this. It's going to be fully integrated into Kajabi, but you can see here, there's the challenges. They have something called circles, which I'm guessing is kind of like individual topics or rooms or something like that. So it's all very encouraging, but I'll be excited to play with it inside of my Kajabi account. The other link that I have here is on Kajabi site that will go over some of the FAQs here. So Kajabi acquired Vibely. What does this mean? It will integrate the Vibely community product into Kajabi as the next generation of Kajabi communities. We're excited to make Kajabi communities a best-in-class tool to support creators in growing their businesses. Vibely is a community product that allows creators to grow and foster authentic communities that scale with Vibely, now Kajabi communities. So Vibely is changing to Kajabi communities. Your community can connect and learn with interactive tools, live sessions, collaborative challenges, and more. Do I have to make a Vibely account to get access to the new community features? No. Are the new community features available outside the US? Yes. The new community features will be available for select heroes in the US and Canada starting in November. So that's the founders and for those of you that are paying for access. So I wanted to mention that earlier. You just pay for access. It's an extra like $99 a month and you get access to things like this. There's a lot more things you get with access. Just go to your account and then billing, and you can see if you have it. Like right here, I'm on Growth Monthly Plus Access. So I think it's right here that you could actually add access to your plan as well. Don't tell Kajabi I said this, but you could probably just add access for 1 month and get the early access to this, and then downgrade. Will it show up in my existing Kajabi community? So that's a question I have. It's if my existing community will be able to migrate over, we'll have to start fresh. So this says the new community features will only be accessible to new communities created after the Kajabi community's relaunch has taken place in January 2023 worldwide. New features cannot be incorporated into existing communities built on Kajabi before the update, but these communities will still be active on Kajabi with no charge for their functionality. So that makes sense because it seems like a completely different, source code, like completely different program is the community they're using now versus what the new community will be. So it sounds like for my community, we'll have to start over. All the past discussions and things we've had, we'll have to start over. So that will definitely make me fully weigh and vet the new community features before we move over, because we're basically going to be starting over. How can I move my existing? Well, actually, it says that there may actually be ways to migrate it over. As we approach the 2023 general availability, we'll provide support and clarity around this process. So maybe they're still trying to figure that as well. If I build a community in the future, how will it affect my plan price? So that's an interesting question. Inside Kajabi, communities will continue to be counted just like any other product toward your plan's product limit. One community group equals one product in your plan limit. Therefore, an existing community group and a new community group each count as their own product. You'll have access to the full stack of new Kajabi community features, all as a product that is part of your existing Kajabi subscription. So they're just trying to add value and not necessarily charge you more. All right, we talked about when you're getting access. We talked about this, early access, what that means. It's founders and access people in the US and Canada. Beta, we are rolling out the new community features with a select group of beta participants if you're interested. So like I said, there's also a wait list. If you're not founder, if you're not access, there's also a wait list. So I'll include a link to that in the description below. I'm a member of a Vibely community. What will happen to my membership? For the time being, you will be able to access your Vibely membership like normal. The leader of your community will be in touch if anything changes. So I wonder if like the Vibely name is going to go away. If I have an existing community on Vibely, what will happen? Your Vibely community will stay as is for now. Nothing will change for you and your members until early 2023, at which time you will be given the opportunity to migrate to Kajabi. When it's time to join Kajabi in 2023, your community will stay exactly the same. If you decide not to migrate to Kajabi, your Vibely community will sunset during 2023. We will be in touch every step of the way so you can focus your community without having to worry about the next steps. So there you have it. That's the big announcement from Kajabi. So nothing to get our hands on just yet, but we have a lot of new information that we haven't had for quite some time. Like I said at the beginning, they've been teasing this for a long, long time, and we finally have some additional information. So I don't know about you, but I'm all about serving, my customers as well as possible. And if this can help me to do that, then I'm all for it. But we'll have to just wait and see until we can get our hands dirty in it and start playing in it, which hopefully is sooner rather than later. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.